Today's video is everyday spring outfits Walmart edition. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, hi, my name is Ifoma. On this channel I talk about fashion, beauty and a little bit of lifestyle. I do a lot of hauls and I also do styling videos. So if that is something that you're interested in, be sure to check out my other videos. In today's video, I'll be sharing everyday outfits that I wear, Walmart edition, because Walmart brought out their spring collection and I love some of the things that they have and I've really been incorporating them into my daily wear. So I wanted to share with you guys. And in case you are wondering what I have on, I will talk about this dress later. It's in one of this haul, not this color white. I have already featured this dress in my other Walmart videos and I will link it for you guys. Also, I have this scarf on. I just thought I should throw a scarf on, besides it's an in thing right now. So I'm sure ladies that you have a scarf in your wardrobe already. So this is another way to use your accessories to kind of elevate your outfit. So let's get into the video for the day now. So I'm going to start by sharing with you guys what I wore on a Monday. So on Monday, I wore this white and blue striped shirt that I got from Walmart. It is from the brand Free Assembly and I'm wearing mine in the size large. I also am wearing this denim that I also got from the brand Free Assembly in a size 10. And so as you can see in the styling part, I styled this denim. This denim have this detail. It's a light wash denim. Then it has this like a darker wash on, like a patch on the front of the denim, which I just think it's so cool. So I styled this outfit with my black Walmart handbag and I'm wearing my black loafers that I got from H&M. And I also added this puffer jacket that is also from the brand Free Assembly. I'm wearing mine in a size large because the weather is still cool. There are days that is cool, there are days that is warm. It was cool that day. That was why I added that puffer jacket and that was how I went out. That's how I dressed out that day. So this is something that you can wear on a daily basis. Me, I don't have a 9-to-5 job. My job is a shift job. It's a 12-hour shift. But on my daily life, this is the things that I wear. So let me show you guys what I wore on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I wore this black top. It is from the brand Time and True and it's called the Eyelet top. As you can see in the styling parts, it has this elastic on the sleeve. It is not so much of a long sleeve, more like a 3/4 sleeve, which I rolled up a little bit and I added my white denim from the brand also Free Assembly size 10 and I added these clear heels that I got from Burlington and I'm carrying this straw gorgeous little handbag that I got from Walmart from the brand No Boundaries. So that was my look for Tuesday. It is just so chic and this you can even like go to work like this on a Friday. You can go for lunch, you can go for like meetings, you know, you can even just hang out like this. It's just a pretty simple chic look. And I'm also sharing with you guys another way you can style this look. I added my black flats that I also got from Walmart. That flat has this linen fabric and it has this crochet buckle on it. I thought it looked so cool. That's if I really want to be casual, maybe like I'm going to the mall, I'm just running around like that and I don't want to wear heels. You can just switch out the heels for the flats. So that was my look for Tuesday. let me show you guys my look for Wednesday. On Wednesday, I had this white dress on, which is this black dress that I have on right now. I got it in white and it's from the brand Time and True. This one that I'm wearing is a medium, but I got the other one in large. I don't know what I was thinking. I just clicked on large. And when it came, it wasn't so bad. I could not really tell much of the difference. So I just decided to keep it. Besides the spring and summer, you need something that is not too form fitting, and that's why I kept it. So I went ahead and I styled it with my Zara lime green bag, and I also added my lime green heels. That was how I dressed it up on Wednesday. I thought it looked simple but chic. This dress is also called the Eyelet dress, and I will link everything in the description box in case you guys are interested. So I went out like that, and I added these sunglasses. I think I added some sunglasses. I'll talk about that sunglasses later. So that was my Wednesday look. Let me show you guys what I wore on Thursday. On Thursday, I wore this dress shirt that I got from Walmart. It is from the brand Scoop, and I'm wearing mine in a size, I think it's a size 10 to 12. So I got the size 8 to 10, and it was kind of really tight on my arms. So I had to exchange it for a size 10 to 12. It is a long sleeve shirt dress. It has buttons on the sleeve. I just rolled it up. This color, I just like it because green is one of my favorite colors. It's like a striped dress, but the stripe comes in green and blue. I just thought, why not? You know, this is spring. I've been wearing all the basic color during fall and winter. I just wanted something to kind of brighten up my look. So that was what I wore on Thursday. I don't know where I went. I think I went somewhere that I needed to dress up because I wore his. So I now added these green heels that I have years back from Macy's, and I added this green little clutch that I got from Shein. I just love the look. It is simple, it is just chic. It looked like business casual, which is what I was going for. And this dress have this knot on the waist. It has these buttons, but the buttons are not all the way down. It has this knot on the waist, which gives you that cinch in look. Also have elastic at the back, and of course it has pockets. So that was what I wore on Thursday. Then I just decided to kind of show you guys how I will wear it casually. I wore this muse that I got from Nine West years back. It is kind of blue. Dress almost look like, you know, if you say instant description, I would say turquoise. But you know, that muse have that color that is in the dress. That was why I added that. And I'm carrying this little clutch that I got from Kohl's years. I can't even remember. Kohl's collaborated with some designer and they had this purse. I got it then. So that was my Thursday look. I dressed it up and I dressed it down. So let me show you guys what I wore on Friday. So on Friday, I wore the same denim that I had worn on Monday, and I added a denim shirt. That denim shirt is not from Walmart. It is from Target, and it is old. But we all know that denim is trending this season, and I'm like, I already have a denim shirt, so I just tied it like that, and I added these transparent heels that I got from Burlington, and I'm also carrying the little Walmart straw bag. And most of this look, I was always wearing some kind of sunglasses, although one of the sunglasses that I wore, I got it from Walmart, and I will include the clip somewhere in this video so that you guys can check it out if you are interested. And so that was my Friday look. I thought it looked simple. I thought it looked chic. This look you can also wear with sneakers. You can wear with some mules. You know, you can also wear with some flats. Check me out on my socials to see how I am styling this outfit. And also check me on my YouTube shorts to see how I'm styling this outfit, because there's just so much I can cramp into one video because I don't want it to be too long. Okay, so check me out. You see the various ways that I style this particular outfit. So now let me show you guys what I wore on Saturday. So on Saturday I wore this black dress that is from Scoop, and this dress have a puff sleeve. It is a cutout dress. It has a cutout in the front right here just by the waistline, and it also have a cutout by the side. I also styled it with this same flat that I already featured. That flat is from the brand Scoop, and I'm wearing it in a size 11. The fabric on that flat is linen, and it has this turtle shape buckle, which I think is so cute, and it's just gonna be my summer running around flat. And I'm also carrying that straw handbag that I got from Walmart. I just thought it was simple, chic, you know, just for like a casual Saturday, day-to-day running. Then I styled it in, like, I kind of dressed it up a little bit because I think this outfit is just so perfect for date night. And this dress does have pockets on both sides. Walmart have this dress in 2 colors. I already featured this dress in one of my Walmart haul. I will link somewhere so you can check that out. But I also styled it by adding my lime green bag and my lime green heels, just because, you know, I wanted to add a pop of color, and this way you can dress this look up, hang out with your girls, go for date night with this look, and you can also go to the movies with this look. I just think it's just a pretty chic look. So now let me show you guys what I wore on Sunday. So on Sunday I wore this dress, this gorgeous beautiful dress that is from the brand Scoop, and I'm wearing mine in a size medium. And this dress is like an A-line dress with long sleeve. The fabric is knitwear, but it is a very light breathable knitwear. It is not thick at all, and it's in a long sleeve. It has these blue patterns on the sleeve and around the dress, and it comes with its own belt. First, in the styling part, I styled it with the belt, and I'm wearing my transparent heels that I got from Burlington. I'm carrying my Zara orange clutch bag. This bag, I know it's no longer available at Zara. Transparent heels are all over the place, so I'll be able to link some for you guys. And so I actually wore this dress on Easter day, and I got so many compliments. So that was what I wore on a Sunday. And of course, you know, you can wear this to work. If you have a white blazer, you can add to this dress and it looks really gorgeous. But I wouldn't even want to add the blazer because I don't want to, you know, I want to show off the dress. So later on I kind of took out the belt and just wore it like that. So you can wear it either way. I prefer it without the belt, but I think it also look cute with the belt. So either ways, you can style it either ways. So there you have it. I'll be sure to link everything in the description box for you guys to check it out in case you are interested. So guys, that will be all for this video. I sincerely apologize for the noise. Oh my god, any day you just bring out your camera, everybody is out the same day. I need a soundproof room. So this cap that I'm wearing, I think I got it from Amazon. It's been years, maybe a year or two since I've had this. I can't remember, but I will be sure to link some scarf from Amazon in case you guys are interested. So that will be all for this video, and please do subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and turn on your notification. Check me out on my social medias to see how I am styling this outfit, and please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I would really appreciate it. I'm really trying to grow my channel, so please help your sister out and let me know in the comment section which of this outfit that you like. Do you have some of these Walmart outfits already? And if not, are you planning to buy some of them? Just let me know in the comment section. Let's get the conversation going. Okay, so thank you guys so much, and until my next video, take care of yourself, and I will see you. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye.